Welcome to the latest A Course in Business Miracles activation. I am Heather Dominick, creator of BusinessMiracles.com and founder and leader of the Highly Sensitive Entrepreneur Movement. Highly Sensitive Entrepreneurs, or HSEs, are literally coded to be successful coaches, healing practitioners, and creative entrepreneurs. We are everything the world desperately needs right now. Our time has come. And according to the spiritual and psychological teaching of A Course in Miracles, a miracle is defined as a shift in perception, which is exactly what's required for HSE success and what this Business Miracles activation is designed to create for you. So wherever you are, I invite you to allow yourself to be fully present for our time together and this activation experience. Really prepare yourself to receive. Make it a conscious choice demonstrated through action. So wherever you are, I just would like to invite you to turn away from your computer, maybe more realistically, put your pen or pencils down for a moment and just allow yourself to be here and to literally connect in to the power of the energy of this group, the power of the energy that is source energy that's available to each and every one of us in every single moment throughout every single day of our business and of our lives. And to do that, I invite you to solidify that decision of connection by closing your eyes. And if you're not able to physically close your eyes wherever you might be, then please just pull the shade down on your inner eye. And you can just let your gaze just drop down to the floor, your lap, or into the palm of your hands. And take this very simple gesture of closing your eyes or pulling that shade down to feel your energy shift. Just feel yourself truly have the power of turning inward. One simple gesture. And then together, let's take a deep breath in. Deep breath. And let it out. And again, deep breath in. Just really feeling your heart and your lungs expand. Deep breath in. Deep breath. And let it out. And again, deep breath in. Again, feeling that expansion. You know what expansion feels like. You have it available to you in every single moment just through the power of your breath. Deep breath. Feel how you're filled up by expansion. It's actually not scary, but it's life-providing. And then just let that breath ease on out. And as you continue to breathe deep with your eyes closed, I invite you to see in the center of your mind's eye, you in the center of a circle of people. Just go with whatever shows itself to you first on that movie screen of your mind, but there you are, standing in the center of a group of people, a circle of people. These people are loving. These people are kind. As you look around this circle in the center of your mind's eye, you can just see just open eyes, open smiles, open hearts. This energy of openness from this entire circle is beaming its way to you. Allow yourself in this moment to feel that openness. Feel that love coming your way. You don't need to know who these people are. All you need to know is that you are surrounded. Open eyes, open smile, open hearts. The primary purpose of each and every person in this circle that surrounds you is to send you love and to send you support. Take a deep breath in and let it out. As you stand here in the center of this loving circle on the movie screen of your mind, just feel your sense of self relax. Perhaps if you've been holding yourself rigid or tense already today or maybe throughout the week or the past couple of weeks, just take this moment to just allow that tension to melt. Feeling that beam of openness and love that's coming from each and every being within the circle, just allowing that openness and love to just melt that tension. To literally just release any fear. It's literally as if golden white beams of that love and openness are just coming right to you, straight from the eyes of every person in this circle, straight from the mouth of every person in this circle, straight from the heart of every person in this circle. Deep breath in and let it out. We take this opportunity to be reminded in this moment that truly this is the power. This is where everything else comes from. To know that truly in the eyes and in the arms and in the heart of that greater source energy, that energy that's moving this planet without effort, that energy that's growing a tree from an acorn without effort, that energy that's bringing that sun to shine every single day, whether clouds cover it or not, without effort. That same energy is available to you. The only reason that you were brought here is to thrive. You truly are surrounded. You truly are safe. You truly are secure. It is an illusion to believe that you are not. It is the devil within our own mind and within our own ego, or whatever name you want to give it, that tries to tell us otherwise. But in this moment right here, as we gather together in an energetic circle, that circle within the movie screen of your mind, within your inner mind, is absolutely powered up. Powered up by the true eyes, the true smiles, the true heart. Each and every person in this circle desires for your success. Each and every person within this circle desires for your success, because each and every person in this circle knows that as you succeed, I succeed. As I succeed, you succeed. That as there is more success for each and every one of us, that does not mean that there is less for you or I. It means that there is more. As you succeed, I am buoyed to succeed even more. As I succeed, you are buoyed to succeed even more. That is the energy that is being exchanged. The power of this circle on the inner screen of your mind just spreads out, ripples out. Ripples out into your day, ripples out into your week, ripples out into every single encounter that you have in the physical experience of your business and the physical experience of your life. And if you encounter a moment when someone is not of open eyes, open smile, or open heart, rather than engage in their lower energy, you just go back to this place within your mind, knowing that you truly are held. You are held in a sacred circle. You are safe. You are secure. You are supported. And from this energy, that's where true success is born from. And it's the energy of true success that we breathe in together right now. Deep breath in and let it out. Beautiful. My intention is that this Business Miracles activation creates a powerful perception shift for you, a business miracle. And if now you're ready to learn how to use your highly sensitive abilities to really support you in being purposeful, profitable, and empowered, then I invite you to take my free self-quiz to find out if you are indeed a highly sensitive entrepreneur. And if you are, along with your results, you'll receive my free HSE Success Guide, which will teach you how to have your highly sensitive abilities working for you to create the results you desire in your business. Take the quiz and receive your free success guide now at www.hsequiz.com. hsequiz.com. Other than that, leaving you with many blessings for the rest of the day, week, into the weekend, and until our next Business Miracles connection.